Let me get you to this book, and then I don't know if you can see it or not. Can you? Murder She Knit. I love these little fast read books that are enchanting. I call them enchanting. And they're, if I get this light a little dimmer or something here. And it's about a lady who comes to town, and the next thing you know, the lady's dead. And so this crochet knitting group get together to try to solve this mystery. And what's really sad about this is the young lady was killed with knitting needles. And of course there's always a cat in the story, a little kitten or something in this one. And there's also knitting tips and delicious recipes inside, which I think is cute. Okay, this is first in a new series, Murder She Knit, a knit and a nibble mystery, unraveling a deadly yarn. Isn't that clever? That clever. It's by Peggy Earhart. E-H-R-H-A-R-T. And I was trying to see if it says what year, because this may be an old series. Because I enjoy getting older books, because I know that somebody's loved reading them. And let's see. It's got a website, but it's Kensington Books, which they're always, I like their books. Now this one's, first printing was 2018, so you could probably get the whole series if you wanted to read this. And I'll have to see if Thrift Books has it, where I can get it. Thrift Books have books, a lot of books, a lot of books, and they're reasonable. And but sometimes, something that like this little series probably is going to be hard to find on Thrift Books, because people are keeping them and rereading them like I do. But this is a cute little book. Again, I'll put the information on the screen for you. But it's a sweet, sweet little tale of murder. Anyway, that's my new book that I've read. In fact, I got this from my sister. Every time I got in the car with her, she was reading this book, when she was waiting for her grandchildren or whatever, and I'd be in the car. And I kept saying, when are you going to be finished with that book? Well, one day, bless her little heart, she left it for me. And she says, here, sis, you can read it. So I knew it had to be good because she was enjoying it. Really enjoying it. So I have too. And maybe on Thrift Books, I'll find the rest of the series. If I'm lucky enough to be able to do that, and that somebody gave it up and put it on Thrift Books. Well, that's all I have to say. It's almost Christmas. If you haven't got your card for me, it's because I'm still in the process of doing those. I've sort of running out of stamps. But the postman will be here on Monday, and he'll bring me some more stamps. He's such a nice young man. Well, anyway, I will leave you, and Merry Christmas to all of you, and hello to everybody that's watching, and hello for anybody that's watched me for the first time. Beware. Old lady talks forever. Anyway, remember, hi, Linda, Dot, Ian, Vicky, Penny, I see ya. I see ya. I do. Remember, God has you in His hands, and please pray for Mother Earth. Connor and I say goodbye, don't we, Connor? Okay, bye-bye.